Okay, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to use Google Draw to create a digital map of your amusement park. This is my final copy, so you can kind of get a sense of my expectation. So let's just hop into it. First thing you're going to want to do is go to your drive, click New, go down to More. We're going to be using Google Drawings. Okay, now I'm just going to show you some basic kind of tools. I'm sure if you really want to get into it, there's plenty of YouTube tutorials that are going to give you a way better understanding of how to master Google Draw. But the big thing here is inserting text box and inserting photographs and inserting symbols. Okay, so I'm just going to show you how one ride could look, and then hopefully from there you guys will be able to figure out how to do the rest of the park. So I'm going to start with an image. All right, so I go up here to insert image. I'm going to go to search the web. Okay, and I'm just going to think to myself, okay, what's a roller coaster I like? What's a theme I like? Let's say my theme is underwater. I'm just going to search like fish roller coaster. Okay, here we go. Select the image I want to use, click insert. Okay, now I'm going to want to resize this. I had to fit like 7 amusement park rides plus restrooms plus a stage. There's going to be a lot on here, so make sure your images don't keep them too big. You want to resize them appropriately. Okay, so here's my first ride. All right, now I got to give it a name, so I'm going to click on this little text box icon here. It's in your toolbar. If you don't see that, you go to insert text box. That's another option. Okay, and here I'm going to give it a name, and I'm going to be creative. It's going to be the Funny Fish Flume. Okay, I'm going to center it. You don't have to do this. I'm going to. Okay, maybe you want to bold it. Maybe you want to give it a different font. Okay, that's up to you, however you want to do it. Okay, as long as I can read it. Okay, so there's my first ride. Now, your map, you're going to need a key, and you're going to be needing to insert symbols that correspond with your key to each location in your amusement park. So for my rides, let's just say I'm going to choose the smiley face symbol. So I'm going to go to insert. I'm going to go to, I think it's shape. Yeah, shape. And then these are all symbols you can use to label your rides or your restrooms or your shops in your amusement park. So I'm just going to choose the smiley face because it's a fun ride. And there I go. Okay. When you're making your key, you're going to want to, again, use text box. Put your key down here. Okay. And what I did was I just went through and how did I do this? Restaurant, restroom, ride, shop, stage. Okay, so I went through my criteria, my scoring guide for my amusement park, and I just listed everything that I needed from my outline into the key in my draw. So restroom, ride, stage, shop. Okay. And then all of these, you need to give each of these locations. Let's see, what did I forget? Restroom, restaurant, stage. I think I forgot restaurant. Each of these locations needs its own symbol. Okay, so again, I'm going to go back up to Insert, Shape, and I'm just going to choose a symbol. It really doesn't matter which one you choose. So here's my restroom symbol. Insert, Shape. Here's my, wait, that's different. Here's my stage symbol. Shape. Where's my smiley face? Here's my ride symbol. Okay, so you get the idea. One other thing, too, is that you need to, I believe you need to have, where is it? Pathing. Here it is, pathing and walkways in your amusement park. So I'll show you what I mean by that. These are just some basic little scribbles I put down in my amusement park. So let me show you how to do that. Basically, you go to Insert, Line, and then it's a scribble. Okay, and this you can just kind of like draw any shape on your map. Okay, so these are going to act as kind of the connectors, the pathways between each destination on your map. I think that's it. So the big things are inserting text boxes, okay? Inserting images, upload from the web, and inserting symbols, or sorry, shapes. Those are kind of the three big things. And if you have any questions, feel free to email me. I'm sure YouTube, like I said, YouTube's going to have a way better tutorial than I do. All right. Good luck. And that's all there is to it.